This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you a topic how to make a purchase and earn money from your Amazon affiliate product links through your website. In previous video, I made how to add your Amazon affiliate product links to your website. I will provide that video link in the I button at the top of this video. Please check that. Before going to this video, please subscribe to my channel VL Infotech and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In this channel, I will make topics regarding all social media accounts about YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also about websites, how to customize websites, and how to promote your website and how to promote or advertise your YouTube channel. I will do all this in my channel. Now coming to today's video, I will make a purchase using my Amazon affiliate product link in my website, and I will show you how much commission I got from that purchase with the proof. Don't skip this video, watch until the last to see how much commission I got from the purchase. Now and the steps are: Step 1. Open any website containing your Amazon affiliate product links. And step 2 is click on that product link, which one you want to buy, and make a purchase. Make a payment to purchase. And the last step is now you can check your Amazon affiliate link if that product is purchased using your link or not. If a customer clicks on your Amazon affiliate product link and makes a purchase from that, immediately you will get a commission from that purchase. Immediately it will show up in your Amazon affiliate product, Amazon affiliate account, which item that customer has ordered. Let's get into the video. Now first step is open your website which containing Amazon affiliate product link. Now I am opening my website inspirelife.com. This is the overview of the website. This website is about all tips about motivation, success, career, lifestyle, money, motivation, mental health. Now I am opening a post in which already we have created Amazon affiliate product links. Now I am going to make a purchase through that link. Now I want to buy a selfie stick, that is Mobilife Bluetooth expandable selfie stick with wireless remote and 2-level fill light for making TikTok, vlog videos, etc. And tripod stand selfie stick for the mobile and all smartphones. Now I want to buy this. Click here. Then immediately it will open to Amazon open. Then it will immediately open Amazon account. And this is the product. Before buying, you can check all this. This is in stock. This is a selfie stick tripod with Bluetooth, remote and rear view, mirror selfie stick with built-in. You have to see all this before buying. Description and what is the price, how much you can save. And you can also check the previews, reviews. This is the overall product. You can check customer reviews at the bottom of this. You can check one customer reviewed this product. These are the photos posted by one customer who bought this product. Now I want to buy this using my Amazon affiliate product link. I will make a separate video after it will deliver to my address. After I got this product delivered to my address. And click on buy now to make a purchase. These are the steps you have to follow. These are the steps you have to follow to make purchase from this link. First you have to sign into your Amazon account and you have to enter your delivery address and payment method and place the order and complete the payment. These are the steps you have to follow. Now first step is completed. I already signed into my Amazon account. I already added delivery address. Now I have to do payment. There are many methods to pay. You can select ATM, debit card, credit card or net banking, other UPI apps, pay on delivery, cash on delivery also option also available. But I am selecting net banking. There are many banks, so many banks linked to this account. Now I am selecting State Bank of India and click on continue. And this is the shipping address and the payment method is State Bank of India, net banking, and the delivery date is 11th September 2020. If you want free delivery, you have to sign up with Amazon Prime. If you don't want to sign up with Amazon Prime, just click no thanks. Or else if you want Amazon Prime, get guaranteed free fast delivery on this and all eligible future products for just $3.29 for 3 months. Amazon Prime is for $3.29 for 3 months. If you want to join, click on join Prime or just select no thanks. I'm selecting no thanks. On Friday, you are getting free delivery on eligible orders. On Thursday, two-day delivery at 80 rupees free with Amazon Prime. Now I'm selecting Friday free delivery. It is just a standard delivery with no fee and no Amazon Prime. And the total order cost is, item price is 959 and the delivery cost is 40 rupees and the total price is 959. Here I'm lucky, promotion code is applied, so I'm getting delivery fee waived. 40 rupees delivery charging they are removing by using promotion code. Now click on place your order and pay. It will be redirecting to State Bank of India net banking. Now I am going to make a payment. This is my net banking dashboard. Please log into your net banking and select account to pay and click on confirm. and you will get a high security password to your mobile. And click on confirm. Your payment was successful. I made my payment. Now order is successfully placed. Thank you for shopping with us, and you will get an email about the order confirmation. That's it. We made a purchase using our Amazon affiliate product link. Now we will open our Amazon associate link to check whether the product is purchased using our Amazon affiliate link or not. Just log into your Amazon affiliate product link, Amazon affiliate account, and this is my Amazon affiliate account, and click on reports. Click on earning report. Now you can check here. Mobilife Bluetooth expandable selfie stick I bought using the link. Total 3 products have been ordered, and I got a conversion of 1.04%, and the earnings will be populated within a month. In this way, you can earn using your Amazon affiliate product links through your website, and you can also share this Amazon product links in your Facebook page or Facebook account or Instagram, anywhere, so that if any customer or user makes a purchase through your Amazon affiliate product link, then you will get money. You can earn money. So everyone use this wonderful opportunity to make money. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon. Please comment below if you have any doubts regarding any topic. I will try to make a video separately to explain everything and clearly about the topic. Stay happy and keep smiling. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video.